We'll guide you through how to enable macros in Excel. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are in Excel, and as you can see, I'm getting this pop-up here about macros being blocked. So let's go and enable them so we can go and use them. First of all, go to the top left and click on File. Go down to the bottom left and click on Options. You'll get this pop-up in the Excel options. Go over to the left and go down and click on Trust Center. And go to the right and click on Trust Center Settings. Now you can come over to the left here and you need to select macro settings like so. And what you can do is click on Enable VBA macros like so and press OK. Then press OK again. Now what you need to do is go and close out of the document like so. And you need to go and find the file. So go and right click on it like so. Go down and click on Properties. In general, you can go to the bottom and see Security and select Unblock. Click Apply and press OK, open it up again, and now macros will be enabled and you can go and use them. It's that simple. If you found this useful, then leave a like.